Understanding Rooster's Rule, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English idiom, Rooster's Rule. This phrase might sound unusual, but it's a great example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Rooster's Rule isn't a commonly used phrase in English, and it doesn't have a widely recognized meaning in standard English. However, for the purpose of this video, let's imagine it as an idiom. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. So, in our imaginative context, Rooster's Rule could mean something like taking charge or leading confidently, drawing from the idea of a rooster crowing at dawn and taking charge of the day. Idioms are a fascinating aspect of the English language. They often paint a picture or tell a mini-story. For example, spill the beans means to reveal a secret, and hit the nail on the head means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. These phrases add color and flair to the language. If Rooster's Rule were a real idiom, it would be a fun addition to this collection, symbolizing leadership and confidence. When using idioms, especially imaginative ones like Rooster's Rule, context is key. You want to make sure the other person understands you, so it's often helpful to use these expressions in a context that makes their meaning clear. For example, you might say, "When it comes to organizing family events, my sister follows the Rooster's Rule. She's always in charge and knows exactly what to do." Idioms like Rooster's Rule show just how playful and creative the English language can be. While this particular phrase isn't a standard idiom, it serves as a great example of how English speakers use language to express complex ideas in a few words. We hope you enjoyed this imaginative exploration of English idioms. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to have a little fun with the language. See you in our next video.